Hi, Keyloggers are used by attackers to spy on you. They're a special kind of spyware which record your entries on the keyboard and then they email them, send them to the attacker. The attacker can use them to perform other things like getting your login information and other stuff like that. So we are going to look at a particular kind of keylogger called Spyrix Free Keylogger. So let me open it up. So this is it. So it records entries for your keyboard. So this was entered in the notepad. So if I come here, the notepad, and I type I am spying here, I am spying. When I come back, we are going to see that the software recorded it. So it was spying on my work. It was recording what I was doing on the keyboard, and it was saving it. Then later it can send the work to others. So here you can see the event log. We have keyboard events. You can also keep screenshots. The software can take screenshots. It can take webcam snapshots. It can do recording and other things like that. So that is the software. It's very dangerous. So it has additional features. It can, as I said, it can take screenshots. That's called screen logging. So you'll be doing your work, then all of a sudden, bam, take a screenshot, sends it to the attacker. You can also record what's on your keyboard. If you copy this work, like this, control copy, it copies the work and sends it to the attacker. It also takes pictures from you, weblog. So that's another one, and that's why some people usually cover their webcam using salt tape to prevent that kind of logging. Yeah, so it's very dangerous software. So if you look at here, detection prevention, one thing you have to watch out is the response time. If your PC begins to respond slowly, and you know that recently you installed some software, that software installed may be having a keylogger. There are some companies like HP which was filed because they detected that the keyboards had some keylogger software. Microsoft Windows also had a lawsuit about that. They were recording logs on the keyboard and sending it, and they were saying they are doing it to do diagnostic studies, but still they didn't tell the users, so that's also a bad thing. Now another way you can prevent it is having antivirus like Malwarebytes, which can detect keylogger activity and notify you. And also this thing in the task manager which shows that there's a keylogger working in the background. It's called winlogon.exe. So if I come here to my task manager, here, then under details, I can look for winlogin. Winlogon, if you see this thing running, you know that there is a keylogger. Right now I installed keylogger software, so that's why it's there. Another thing is the most recent files, because this keylogger is usually store the work in a file, so it keeps updating that file. So if you can search for your recent files, you organize your files based on the last updated, you can find out whether there has been some recordings of your files, and that can help you know that there is a keylogger, and you can try to hunt it down and remove it. So that's so much for keylogger, and I beg to stop there. Thank you.